Deep in the heart of a misty pine forest, an ancient train station lies forgotten, where time has stood still and nature has slowly reclaimed its territory. The echoes of iron wheels have long faded, replaced by the silent embrace of climbing vines and the steady decay of a once proud industrial heritage in the woods. Every rusted bolt and weathered brick tells a story of a bygone era, waiting patiently for a new chapter to begin amidst the quiet whispers of the forest. Light filters through the ruins like a ghost, illuminating the beauty found in neglect and the haunting charm of a structure that the world has long since forgotten. What was once a bustling hub of travel is now a sanctuary of stillness, where the boundary between architecture and the wild has blurred into a poetic mess. In this forgotten corner of the world, we find the perfect canvas for a transformation that bridges the gap between the industrial past and a modern future. But beneath the layers of rust and moss lies a resilient soul, a foundation of steel and brick ready to be awakened from its long and silent slumber. Today, we begin the journey of rebirth, breathing life back into these stones to create a masterpiece of architecture designed for healing and profound connection with nature. The revolution begins with a cleansing fire of pressure, stripping away the decay of decades to reveal the enduring strength of the original 19th century steel framework. Every brick is treated with respect, cleaned and restored to its former glory, ensuring that the history of the station remains the heartbeat of the new home. Modern technology arrives in the form of giant glass panels designed to invite the forest inside and create a living space that feels entirely open to nature. The old and the new are fused together with surgical precision, creating a structural dialogue between the heavy industrial past
We
and
need
the
to
light,
adjust this beam
transparent
right here.
aesthetics of
Follow
today.
the blueprint exactly.
Witness the transformation as the
measurements
skeletal
before we
remains of
pour
the
the
station
concrete.
are reinforced with high-grade steel, preparing for a metamorphosis that will redefine the concept of mountain living. This is a delicate dance of engineering, where every line and angle is calculated to honor the original footprint while providing the luxury of a modern retreat. As the glass walls rise, the boundary between the interior and the exterior begins to dissolve, allowing the house to capture the ever-changing beauty of the sky. The texture of the past meets the smoothness of the future, creating a tactile experience that celebrates both the grit of industry and the refinement of luxury. Looking up, the forest canopy becomes the new ceiling, providing a constant connection to the rhythm of the seasons and the gentle movement of the pine trees. Every detail is considered, from hidden supports to integrated lighting, ensuring that the final structure appears as light and effortless as a glass box in the woods. The transformation is nearly complete, and the once abandoned station has evolved into a bold architectural statement that respects its heritage while embracing a new modern identity. In certain lights, the villa seems to vanish into its surroundings, its glass skin acting as a canvas for the trees to paint their shadows upon the walls. It is a celebration of contrast, the roughness of stone, the warmth of brick, and the cold, clean precision of steel and glass working in perfect aesthetic harmony. This is where history meets innovation, proving that even the most forgotten structures can be reimagined as something breathtakingly beautiful for the modern age of design. The house is now a part of the forest's breath, a living space that doesn't just sit in the landscape, but actively engages with the natural world surrounding it. We step outside onto the wooden terrace, following the path of the old tracks that have been transformed into a minimalist Zen garden of stones and memories. Delicate succulents and white gravel replace the wild weeds, creating a curated landscape that honors the linear geometry of the station's original railway design. From afar, the villa is a whisper in the woods, a transparent jewel that honors the scale of the trees and the majesty of the surrounding mountain landscape. Artifacts of the station's past are preserved as industrial sculptures, reminding us that this modern home was born from the labor and machinery of another century. An infinity pool stretches toward the horizon, its still water acting as a liquid mirror that reflects the architecture and the sky in a seamless horizontal plane. The sound of water adds a layer of tranquility, a gentle rhythm that masks the silence of the forest and brings a sense of life to the terrace. Modern comfort meets raw nature on the deck, providing a perfect vantage point to watch the mist roll through the valley while remaining in complete architectural bliss. The transition is invisible, designed to encourage a lifestyle that flows freely between the shelter of the glass and the wild energy of the pine forest air. Even the smallest details of the forest are invited to play with the house, creating a visual symphony of textures from soft moss to cold, hard steel. When the rain falls, the villa becomes a front row seat to nature's power, keeping you dry and warm while the elements dance just inches from your eyes. The vertical lines of the steel columns mirror the trunks of the pines, creating a rhythmic harmony that makes the architecture feel like an extension of the forest. This is a place where wildlife and design coexist, where the modern structure provides a perch for the forest inhabitants to observe their changing world with curiosity. As the sun begins to dip below the mountains, the exterior of the villa transforms into a radiant sculpture, glowing with the warmth of the departing light. An outdoor hearth offers a place of gathering, where the primal element of fire meets the sophisticated design of the glass and steel sanctuary in the woods. It is a testament to sensitive design a home that occupies the land with grace, proving that humans can build without destroying the soul of the wilderness. Step inside to a sanctuary of light and space, where the original industrial volume of the station has been transformed into a breathtaking, open-plan living area. A plush velvet sofa in forest green invites you to rest, placed beside a modern fireplace that pays homage to the iron furnaces of the railway's past. The floors are smooth and cool, reflecting the world outside and making the interior feel as though it is floating on a bed of forest light. The fire provides a warm heart for the home, a flickering light that brings comfort and life to the minimalist aesthetic of the steel and glass structure. The kitchen is a study in natural materials, where the warmth of walnut wood balances the coolness of stone, creating a space that is both functional and beautiful. Everyday rituals become moments of mindfulness in this setting, where the simple act of making tea is enhanced by the serene views of the forest outside. Nature is brought indoors, not just through glass, but through simple arrangements of wildflowers and pine, grounding the modern interior in its local environment. Dining here feels like a picnic in the canopy, with the glass walls offering a panoramic perspective of the trees while you enjoy the comforts of home. In the quiet corners of the villa, time slows down, inviting you to lose yourself in a book, while the forest provides a living, moving background. The bedroom is a transparent cocoon, where you wake up to the first light of dawn, filtering through the pines and the soft mist of the valley. There is a profound sense of peace here, a feeling of being completely submerged in the natural world, without sacrificing the warmth and security of luxury. Luxury is redefined as simplicity and quality, where every space is organized to reduce noise and allow the mind to focus on the beauty of the surroundings. Imagine a bath in the wilderness, a stone sanctuary, where you can soak in the warmth while watching the birds move through the trees just inches away. The elements of water and stone come together in the most private spaces, creating a spa-like atmosphere that is designed for total physical and mental rejuvenation. Beneath the industrial surface, modern comfort is everywhere, from underfloor heating to climate control, ensuring the villa remains a warm haven in the coldest winters. The staircase is a sculptural bridge between levels, a light steel structure that contrasts beautifully with the heavy, historic texture of the station's original brickwork. Work becomes a source of inspiration in this setting, where the focus and clarity provided by the architecture help to unlock new levels of creative thought. Small nods to the past are scattered throughout the interior, ensuring that the legacy of the railway is never forgotten, but cherished as part of the home. As day turns to night, the interior remains a transparent sanctuary, a place where the healing power of architecture and nature can be felt in every breath. When the golden hour arrives, the forest is bathed in fire, and the glass villa begins its nightly transformation into a glowing lantern of the woods. The house wakes up in the darkness, its warm interior light cutting through the shadows and creating a beacon of safety and comfort in the wild forest. Lighting is used as an art form, creating layers of warmth and depth that make the glass structure feel solid and inviting as the night closes in. Soft perimeter lighting highlights the marriage of materials, casting a gentle glow on the ancient bricks and the modern steel that supports this incredible dream. Inside, the atmosphere is one of profound intimacy, where the flickering light of the hearth creates a cozy world that feels miles away from civilization.
And I told
The
him
evening
straight,
hours
we are
invite
not going
reflection and
unless the tickets are
relaxation, a
confirmed.
time to
But mom,
toast to the
Mr.
successful
Das said it
preservation
would
of
be
history
fine, trust
and
me.
the birth of a
He
new
always says
architectural
that.
legend. From the outside looking in, the villa is a theater of human life, a transparent stage where every moment is framed by the beauty of the forest. The moonlight adds its own silvery touch to the architecture, turning the steel beams into lines of light and the glass into a dark, mysterious mirror. Even in the dark, the villa is alive, attracting the curious creatures of the night to its soft glow, proving that it has truly become part of nature. The stars above and the house below create a symphony of light, a reminder of our place in the universe and the beauty of building with purpose. The water becomes a dark void, reflecting only what we choose to illuminate, adding to the sense of mystery and peace that defines this forest retreat. Sleeping here is an exercise in trust and connection, surrounded by the vastness of the dark woods while protected by a thin, invisible layer of glass. This is the final vision, a house that breathes, a house that heals, and a house that stands as a glowing tribute to the power of reimagination. We leave the villa as it was found, in the quiet heart of the woods, but now it is no longer a ruin, but a vibrant home for the soul. The journey of this forgotten station is a reminder that beauty is never truly lost. It is simply waiting for a visionary eye to see its potential. In the union of steel, glass, and brick, we have found a new way to live a way that honors our history while moving boldly into a sustainable future. It is more than just a house. It is a journey of return, a sanctuary, where architecture serves as a bridge between the human spirit and the wild. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transformation. May you find your own place of healing, where the past and future meet in perfect peace.